Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing part right here in my hand. And pretty much what it is a weighted blanket that you can use obviously to help you guys fall asleep much easier. But this one is definitely really heavy. Like the one that I have right here in my hand is 15 pounds, but let's open up and show you what the product looks like first. So basically once we take out the blanket, you can see this is what the color looks like. So they have a lot of different colors, but this is the one that I got. It is definitely really heavy, but I can totally see how it can be helpful for people who can't fall asleep. Like when you guys put this on, it definitely feels like someone is like cuddling with you guys or something, or just hugging with you guys. So you guys definitely feel that like loveness or like comfort when you guys have it on. But you guys can see it's actually really big. Like it can't even fit the whole entire screen. So like if I just put it on my leg like this, or if I just like cover myself like this, it kind of feels like when you guys go get your x-ray and whatnot, so that has that kind of like heavy vest kind of feeling, but it definitely feels really soft and really comfortable, which is pretty awesome. I feel like the biggest issue for using these like weighted blankets is the fact that it's so heavy that it's hard to wash. So I can't imagine how someone can wash this blanket. Probably the best way to kind of wash it is maybe get like a cloth or something and just like wipe it off, sanitize it, and reuse it again. So it's definitely heavy and whatnot, but it's not a bad thing. Like for me, honestly, I can totally see how this can be helpful for a lot of people. But now that we did like a little unboxing and kind of show you guys a little bit test of what it actually looks like and how it feels, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I wouldn't say it's worth it for myself because I don't see myself actually using this too often, but it definitely feels a lot more comfy and whatnot compared to the other ones I've tested in the past. But like how I said earlier, the main issue that I see about this weighted blanket is the fact that since it's so heavy, it's hard to wash it, or you guys probably can't even wash it. So like since this is a brand new product, you don't know where this been, like you probably want to wash it and whatnot. But if you guys don't mind that issue of like the dirtiness or the cleanness of the product and like how heavy it is, then this product would be worth it in that case. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much just for a little unboxing, testing, and feedback with this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have